riddle for school.
Okay, go for it.
Body to body, skin to skin. When it's stiff, stick it in. It goes in dry, comes out wet. The longer it is in, the stronger it gets. It comes out dripping and it starts to sag, but it's not what you think it is. It's a telly tea bag.
You're killing me with these, babe.